Sweet baby. We're happy for you. You know me, I'm too happy for you. We're all here for your birthday to celebrate, and you know, we wish you the best. I didn't really prepare a speech tonight, but you know, let me run something real quick. This one's been all over the internet today. Let me give them. Hey birthday girl, you're the most gorgeous girl I've ever met with the sweetest soul. The best sight in the world is to look at you smile. From the day you walk into my life, you're all I think about. You're my peace, and I can't believe you're mine. But even more than that, you're such an amazing and sexy woman. And thank God every day for us. I'm honored to be your boyfriend. Oh, your man. Like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
She wants something new.
And I wouldn't want it any other way. You're the love. Yeah.
Smoking well.
Wow. Is this what I'm thinking?
Oh
my God. Wow. Is this what I'm thinking?
You know what it is now. We're gonna open that later. We'll talk about that one. Yeah.
Hip, hip, hip. All right, if you have your wine glasses, I'm trying, I hope the wine's right. You know, let's quickly just add that. Let's use one of our girls.
You are checking.
And then we do both of cats, you know?
You are checking.
Alex, you have corona. Why are you sniffing?
Please, if you don't have wine, I know we've exhausted the wines. You can just put one aside. It's for the paparazzi. You know, this wine cup is gold. It's gold. It's gold. So even if you don't have like a wine, you can put something, a little liquid. Alright? And just give me 60 seconds to take permission. Because I can't call them on the spot.
We don't have one. We'll pour water inside it.
Alex.
Oh yeah, we are ready for the toast.
Open your eyes. Why? Set it in the middle. We are finished. We are
You should be at the back. Now
we are finished. Oh my goodness. What's right in the paper? Okay, sorry. Oh, we're finished. We have to. Oh my God, Alex, you're so cute. Thank you. We are finished. Wow. Okay, in public places. We are done for. After? Sorry, I mean after this. So, praise the Lord. So we are outside. Wow. I want to always after power.
All right.
Finish up. I'm good.
Yes.
All right. Why are you mentioning me?
Who mentioned? I didn't mention you. I just posted something.
Look at it. Oh. It looks better in real life, guys.
I call it a sculpture. See, when you're back in the school and you mud and clay, you sculpting things.
Shut up. Kids, kill me. I want to die now. Yes. Choke me.
When am I going to start? I'm ready for him when he's ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? Hey! Eric, are you ready? Oh yeah, now fuck it up. Let's fuck it up big time. Oh, damn. Queens.
Call me birthday girl.
Fire!